Hello guys, itong nilalang na to guys, kakainin ko to guys. Kasi dati isang buwan, dati na tinik ko nito guys, di ako nakalakad guys. Ngayon magkakainin ko to guys. Pakita ko sa inyo guys para ano nitong nilalang to guys, delikado to guys. Kasi madelikadong nilalang na to guys, ang sakit tapos ang lala guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo paano to kakainin guys. Ayan guys, nito guys, kukunin ko ng taba nito guys para makain ko guys. Tingnan nyo guys paano kumain ito guys. Ito guys oh, ang ano nito guys, delikado to guys kasi di kaya itong nilalang na to. Tingnan nyo guys oh, paano kumain ito guys. Ayan guys oh, kakainin ko to guys kasi mano itong nilalang na to guys. Tingnan nyo guys, dikdikin ko muna yung ano ko guys, yung luya ko guys. Tingnan nyo guys oh, tingnan nyo guys paano magdikdik guys ng luya guys. Tingnan nyo guys oh, tingnan nyo yan oh, ayan oh, yung suka guys. Tingnan nyo guys yung suka ko guys. Tingnan nyo guys yung suka ko, paano kumain ito guys. Ayan guys oh, tingnan nyo. Sinong makakilala nito yung taga Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, yun oh, ito kakainin ko to guys. Yan oh, tingnan nyo guys oh, ulam to guys. Ayan guys oh, kanin guys oh, at saka may ano pa guys oh. Tingnan nyo guys oh, paano ko kumain. Yan guys oh, tingnan nyo, wow, sarap to guys oh. Tingnan nyo, ulam to guys oh. Sarap lagyan ko pa yung magic sarap guys oh. Tingnan nyo guys lagyan muna natin ng suka guys na maanghang guys. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Sarap guys ito. Kaya nyo to guys. Kaya nyo to. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Kaya nyo to. Ang sarap-sarap guys. Para talagang cream guys pala to yun to. Salamat guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all.